Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, you guys ready to start back?
That was like a minute, coach. That was like a minute.
I'm just saying, bro, because like how he said that like just pissed me off because it was just like you have no, you don't, no, you don't. You can get because when I was teaching, I enjoyed my weekend. Like on a serious note, like I can't speak for everybody else, but for me, like I made sure I prepped throughout the week so I could have my Saturday and my Sunday because that stuff gets stressful prepping for on a Sunday to get ready for a Monday. Miss Cooper should know that. I mean, my mom's a teacher. I done seen her stress out on a Sunday, can't eat dinner because she gotta, you know what I'm saying, get ready for Monday. I don't like when, you know what I'm saying, we put ourselves through stuff like that. There's no self-care in that. I'm just saying, I can't speak for you, Miss Cooper. I'm just saying, like, you getting your doctorate now. You're an instructional person. Like, you got a lot going on.
Yeah, I prioritize my weekends though. Like that's like my life. Like I think everybody kind of knows that. First year, I feel like I was just completely an entire week, but this time, like Friday when I leave, like I leave, I leave, and it's part of my life. So.
Got you.
Friday at 3:45. That's when my weekend starts. Once those buses leave, have a good weekend. I'll see you on Monday. All right. You need to text me? Don't do that. Text me on Monday, okay? All right. Oh, school related? Yeah, I don't check emails.
But what if it's something very important, Andrew? What if it's something is very important, it's very urgent, and that person can't wait till Monday?
Teams, Microsoft Teams. You can tease me, but Microsoft Teams. Now, my principal sends out newsletters every Sunday night. I'll look at them. I'll look at the newsletter to see, what's happening for this week. But if it's like an emergency or like, I'm sorry, I'm going to use my coworker's name for this example. If Brookie texts me like at Sunday night saying, oh, she can't come in, here's the lesson plan, I'll respond to that. But if it's not work related, I'm not going to respond because it's not work related. Like I'm trying to have, right for Monday, trying to enjoy my weekend,
Dig it. What about you, Damon?
What about with me?
Your weekend. When do you tell people leave me alone? Let me get some me time.
To be honest, you guys probably are going to be shocked by this, probably you and Andrew. I'm going to just tell it like it is to them. That's me. I'm going to just tell it like it is. You don't like it, fine. See you Monday morning. Because I am on my me time. I do not want to be bothered with. But if you need me for some reason, I'm going to show up. But after that, leave me alone. I'll see you Monday. So.
Dig it.
Now, if you catch me on Target, mind your business. Okay? Mind your business.
First of all, if I catch you in Target, I'm not minding my business, okay? I'm just letting you know. If I catch you in Target, I'm yelling out, yo, Coach Frizzette, like holla at your boy over here in the men's section when you done. Like, yeah.
I'll be over there. I gotta get some things. But I'm talking about my coworkers. If you see me at Target, not mind your business, okay? I'm trying to get my things. I don't need, to talk about work things I'm trying to get my stuff, dip out, okay? Trying to leave. try to go. Okay? Unless you coach. Or if you're one of these three people, then you're fine. But if you want to talk about work and you're not my coworker, look, I'm trying to get my stuff and go. Because we're not doing a family reunion at Target, okay? We're not going to cha-cha slide. No, I'm going to cha-cha slide out of Target, okay? I'm not, no. Just not doing that, okay? Yes, I said cha-cha slide. Yes, I know. I did say cha-cha slide. I did.
All right.
All right.
Thus far, so good, fellas and ladies. Thus far, so good.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thus
sir.
far, so good. Good stuff. Good energy from everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's keep it up, y'all. Let's keep it up. It's day one.
Stay
But
one.
It's
Day
gonna get
one.
Day one.
tiring. But even when it gets tiring, we still got to make sure that we love what we do. It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? So we got to make
Amen to
sacrifices.
that.
And so, as much as we sacrifice for ourselves, for other people, let's do the same thing for this podcast. Because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that this podcast stands out. You know what I'm saying? There are a lot of education podcasts out there, but not like ours. So let's continue to make we do what we got to do. Oh, Dr. Cooper. Dr. Cooper. See, I was in the doctoring program, but it wouldn't have sound right. They would have been calling me Dr. Coach Darnell, and Andrew gave me so much slack about that. He was like, yo, I'm not like, I can call you Dr. Coach. Like,
I was like, no.
he gave me
That's too much
so much,
trouble.
he gave me so much slack. Because even David was like, I'm not going to call you Dr. Coach. I'm not calling you. So yeah, they get, but man, keep going with that doctoring program. And you know you're gonna have days too. You ain't gonna want to be bothered. But listen, we here for you. And that's real facts. We here for you.
Thank you.
Yes. And forgot to add one note to my summer haters as well. I'm also starting college as well, getting my bachelor's of elementary ed and dual special ed licensure.
Welcome.
About time, man. About time.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So in that program, I'll start in October. So most likely I'll be kind of like what Miss Cooper used to do, teaching elementary schools. So and writing IEPs and going to IEP meetings. So yes, sir. So my coworker is like, "Oh, you're gonna love SPED." Like, yeah. So far, I'm loving it so far. Figure out IEPs, their BIPs and everything. Yeah, so far. Make sure the student is tight and ready to go. I actually got a funny story about that. I'm gonna hold off till the evening.
All right, you guys ready to begin again?
Yes, sir.
Let's just keep it rolling.
Did I rub y'all the wrong way? Y'all just ain't want to say that.
No.
I just want to make.
Because what I was about to say is North Carolina is the worst. It's the worst. We're like the 48th, 49th state.
Yeah.
Teacher pay.
And
We're right there at the bottom.
look, Florida don't.
The common one thing I'm going to say to my students, if I do, because normally I don't cuss. What I'm probably going to say is what stays in this room stays in this room. Okay? So if you say out to any other teachers, I didn't say that. I did not say that.
At all.
Okay?
Complete fit.
Now, if you run and tell Coach Darnell, he's not going to believe you. If you run, go see Mr. Anderson or Miss Cooper, they're not gonna say anything. They won't believe you. Because what stays this room stays this room. Because I'm gonna look at you like, I don't know what I said. I don't know. I say that? Oh, I didn't know.
Please, Phil.
I don't know. For me, I keep whatever like is in my classroom as something that could be out of it because we live in an age where everything. I mean, especially like remote learning, everything you do is you never know who's recording, who's saying whatever. So for me, it's not my students or anybody's responsibility to like protect my image or whatever it is. That's not for me. So it's like I set those boundaries so that, and that's just what it is. That's different from home than it is with something that's like my professional thing. So.
All right, you guys ready to wrap things up?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. So, Coach, what are you? Okay.
I was hitting the name.
Yeah.
Go ahead, though. My bad.
Yeah. We're okay. So we hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as we did.